Welcome for today's class of mathematics. Today's question is taken from class 10 mathematics, trigonometry chapter 8, trigonometry, exercise 8.1, question number 5 I will be solving today. So given sec theta is equal to 13 upon 12, calculate all their trigonometric ratios. Take down this question first. Given sec theta is equal to 13 upon 12, calculate all the trigonometric ratios. Okay, so what is given? 13 upon 12 is given. What is the formula for the sec? It is nothing but hypotenuse upon adjacent side, right? So which is your hypotenuse? That is your AC. Okay, because this is the theta over here. This particular part is theta. So sec theta, opposite of now what is sec theta? It's just hypotenuse upon adjacent of theta is nothing but AB. So AB is 12 and this is your hypotenuse, that is AC. Okay, so we are gonna do this. So what is given? Okay, so you'll have to draw a triangle over here first, that is ABC. This will be the theta, this AB will be 12 and here the hypotenuse will be 13. Okay. Now you all can write down sec theta. What this is already given, right? Sec theta is equal to AC upon, that is your hypotenuse, upon AB, that is your adjacent side. That now AC is nothing but 13 upon your adjacent side is 12. Now you all can say let AC is equal to 13k and AB is equal to 12k. Okay, you all can just take your AC to be 13k. Okay, take this AC to be 13k and AB to be 12k, where k will be a positive integer. Now we are applying the Pythagoras theorem for this. So in triangle, which triangle it is? In triangle ABC, by Pythagoras theorem. So I am applying a Pythagoras theorem over here. So it will be, what is the formula? AC square is equal to AB square plus BC the whole square, right? So first will be this side, AC the whole square, that is hypotenuse, then opposite plus adjacent, or this plus this. Okay, we are adding this, so there is no issue for this, AB square and plus BC the whole square. So just write down what is your AC over here, 13. So I can write down 13 square is equal to, now AB is given to be 12. 12 square. Okay, you all have to write down 12k over here and this will be 13k. Write down 13k because we have replaced this AC by 13k and AB by 12k. Okay, plus BC we need to find out, plus BC the whole square, write it as it is. Now 13k square is nothing but 169k the whole square is equal to, this will be 12k square means 144 k square. Okay, so 12 12s I will have to do, plus BC the whole square. Now take down 169k the whole square minus 144k the whole square is equal to BC the whole square. So what I have done is I have brought this term the other side, so it will become minus 144. Now subtract this and I will get 25k square, right? So write down over here BC the whole square, BC square is equal to, I will get 25k square after subtracting that. Now BC is equal to, if I give the entire root for this 25k square, I am gonna get BC is equal to, what is square root of 5? 25 is 5 and I will get k because square and this square root will go, cancel. So BC is equal to 5k. Now it is easy for us to find the sine. Sine, what I will find is sine theta. Before that, let me write this 5k over here. 5k. Okay, so I've written here 5k because I got 5k over here. Okay, so now we need to calculate all the trigonometric ratios. All means all, because now sec theta is already given, no need. So that's why first thing what I will be finding is sine theta. Okay, so let us see. Sine theta is what? Opposite upon hypotenuse. Now what it is? BC upon AC, which is equal to 5 upon 13. Next, let us find out the cos theta. But before that, let me explain you all how I got this. Sin theta is nothing but opposite upon adjacent. Now, opposite of theta, we have to see the opposite of theta. Opposite of theta is nothing but BC. So, what I got is BC upon the hypotenuse is AC. So, it will be 5k upon 13k, right? So it will be 5k upon 13k. So what will happen is kk will get cancelled. I will get 5 upon 13. So remember this. Next, moving towards the next one, that is cos theta. That will be the adjacent of theta upon. So adjacent of theta was nothing but AB upon what is the hypotenuse? AC. So what it is? 12k upon 5k is your AC, right? What we got is AC to be, let us see, AC is 13 and that is 12, right? So AC is 13, not 5. 13. So KK will get cancelled and I will get is 12 upon 13. So my cos theta is equal to 12 upon 13. Next, let us find out the tan theta. Okay, tan theta is equal to, it is opposite upon adjacent. So opposite means what? This is opposite. BC upon AB is your adjacent. So I will directly write down BC upon AB, and that is nothing but 5k upon 12k, right? So kk will get cancelled. I will get 5 upon 12. Okay. Next, let us find out the cot. So next, let us find out cot. Cot theta is equal to, this will be the adjacent upon, adjacent is what? AB. Adjacent upon opposite side, that is BC. So AB is what? 12 upon 5. Next, let us find out cosec. Cosec theta is equal to, this will be hypotenuse upon opposite, right? Hypotenuse upon opposite, which means that AC upon opposite side of that is BC. So what I'm gonna get is, here KK was mentioned, right? So KK I will remove, so I will get 12 upon 5. And here AC is nothing but 13k upon 5k. This is what we found out, right? KK. Okay, and what answer I am going to get is 13 upon 5. Okay, so therefore the cosec theta is 13 upon 5. Okay, so I hope you all have understood this, and thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe my channel and share with your friends. Press the bell icon for more updates.